When I was younger and we would go buy cigarettes, it was amazing. They were like 25 cents a pack. Of course, when they went to 50 cents, I said, I'm not going to smoke anymore. Well, I continued. And the same with the $1, $2, $3, $4. But I still smoked. I smoked for 52 years, since I was 15. You know, it's just something everybody did. You saw it on TV all the time. You were cool if you smoked. I think the hardest thing about quitting smoking is to take the first step. So when I first called the 1-800-QUIT-NOW with the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, I didn't know what was going to happen on the other end. And I just was able to say, I need to quit smoking. I want to quit, you know, and then it was, okay, what do you need to use? What do you think would be good for you? And I asked for the patch. I knew when I put it on, that was a step in the right direction. I just knew that. And what I like is they didn't just give me the patches, they gave me a whole support system. I knew each time I put that patch on, I had a whole village behind me. And when I was struggling, wanted a cigarette, a quick coach would either text me or call me, or I knew I could call. They understand what you're going through. I quit on my great-grandson's birthday almost 2 years ago, September 13th. Some things that I could do now that I don't smoke cigarettes are, you know, I take my dog for a walk or take him to the park and play ball with him. I bought a car. I always have enough money to pay the bills. I don't ever seem as stressed as I used to be. And that's a nice feeling. Because I've gotten my strength from the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, now I go on Facebook to my story and I get to share it with other people. If I can do it, anybody can do it.